Hi, my name is Grant Woodruff, and I am the founder of Renowned Renovation. I'm here today to tell you some of the must-have design ideas for today's busy lifestyle. We were invited to present today because we are members of the local chapter of the National Association of the Remodeling Industry. Most people don't know this, but anyone that wants to become a general contractor in Texas can be. All they have to do is fill out a piece of paper. That doesn't mean they have the qualifications. We started our business in 2012 and joined the National Association of Remodeling Industry. NARI is a national organization that holds contractors like Renowned Renovation to a higher standard, a code of ethics, if you would. NARI is focused on the remodeling industry, which is a lot different than general construction. Remodeling has its own challenges and really requires an expert. I would encourage anyone interested in remodeling their home to visit their local NARI website and look for NARI contractors like Renowned Renovation there. My topic today is must-have design ideas for today's busy lifestyle. Renowned Renovation works in the Northeast Dallas. We work with a lot of people who are moving in from the suburbs or moving back into Northeast Dallas. The reasons vary. Many of them are because they want to be closer to their work and live in walkable neighborhoods. We also work with a lot of people that already live in Dallas proper who want to add more amenities to their homes. Some of the more popular ones are wine rooms, open kitchen concepts and living areas, personal spas, and my personal favorite, a return to the wet bar, dry bar. To get started, let's take a look at an example of a project that we recently wrapped up that won Renowned Renovation a NARI Contractor of the Year award. The project is at the Travis at Katy Trail. It's a condo, a penthouse level condo on the 15th floor. As you can see from the blueprint, the homeowner was literally trapped in the kitchen. She had no access to the living room, so when she was cooking, she was stuck away from the living room and all of her guests. Since the owner lives in a high-rise condo, she had relatively little space to work with, and she wanted to open it up as much as she possibly could, creating a wide open space with flair and style that would also add storage and more functionality. This is the new floor plan showing a blown-up version of the new kitchen and living room area. The orange box represents the old kitchen with a wall that we were going to remove, and the blue box represents the new living room and kitchen area. So here's a quick look at the transition from old to new. First, we had to demo the existing space, remove the debris, install the floors, and then install a full set of cabinets we designed on 3 of the walls that held built-in appliances. For a polished finish, Cambria Britannica matte finish surfaces were used for the countertops and the backsplashes. There's a lot of great quartz products out there, and I've found Cambria to be one of the best. I particularly like it because it's made in America, it's very durable, and it has a lifetime warranty.